Millionaires, we back with another banger, man. First thing first, follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, just sharing my interest and experience with y'all in the crypto markets and stock markets as well. Do not take any of this as financial advice. You have to always remember to do your own due diligence. Now, salute to everybody that's been OGs to the channel. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Make sure you subscribe, turn on notifications if you haven't. Follow me. And do not forget to come join our private Facebook group. We have a private investment community with over 4,000 members here on Facebook called Private Stock Market Game. It's a group. Come join it. Make sure you're not a bot or, you're not trying to spam the group or you won't get in. So I just 2 hours ago, asked this question. I said, what token should I review today? And we got a few answers here from the community. So just want to go through, shout everybody out real quick. RJ said useless token. Billy said Doge Universe. Takanaka said APA token. I like that he also included here the reason why he believed I should review it. Ryoshi Vision or Saitama. I seen Saitama on this list a few times, so that's the one we gonna start with. But also one I was interested in checking out was Ronin Games. Also we got shout out to Rudy Torres for that one. Shout out to Malaje. Shout out to Percy Craig. Shout out to Tuamis. He said Anime B&B. Shout out to Bobby Hobson. He said Sugarland Coin. Shout out to Ronell Davis. He said Saitama Inu. Shout out to Justin Simmons. Shout out to Justin Anderson. This is one I've been hearing about a few times lately. Shout out to Christopher. He said Alti Arena. Very bullish on this one. Okay. So Saitama J-Star. Shout out to Marcus for that one. Shout out to Elvar. Shout out to Deshaun for Sanshu. Shout out to David. He said VXV Vectroscape AI, extremely undervalued project. Also, I would like y'all to include some more reasons on why y'all think I should, check out some of these projects. So shout out to Phil for vechain. Shout out. So we got 3 likes on that one. So we might definitely have to look into vechain. We got Raymond with Boost Coin. We got Arturo with Saitama Inu. So clearly y'all want to see Saitama Inu. So that's the one we're going to do first. So Chris said Kadena, KDA. Shout out to Tyree or Tyre. I'm not sure. I think that's Tyree. But the Champions League Club token. Shout out to John Mack. I just want to start a StockGoat coin with you and like-minded individuals in your circle. So shout out to John Mack. For y'all that been rocking with the channel, y'all know I asked this question as well, a couple weeks back, saying how many of y'all, were interested in us starting our own coin. And, the reaction from that was just overwhelming. It was crazy. A lot of y'all are ready for us to just do our own thing. So, I'm putting some things together. Also, I'll be looking for some people that's a part of our community to actually help with the project as well. So if you're interested in helping with our own token, drop in the comment section, let me know. So, or if you're really serious and you got some type of skill relating to this, maybe on the dev side, graphic designs, if you can do memes, something like that, that would be of use. If you want to support the movement, then you can email me at DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com or StockGoatClass@gmail.com. The links to that, or the description, it's in the description section, man. Check it out. But let's get into this. We got Saitama Inu. So let's pull him up. Okay, so the official page, 22,000 followers at Inu Saitama. So you can come through here and, check out everything they got going on, the sneak peek of the Saitama mask. So just a quick demonstration showing you what it looks like, very user friendly. So it's basically, it appears to be like your own wallet. That's what it's looking like so far, but you can also track other coins. It looks like it has a lot of use case with this one. And then I also seen they just entered a multi-year deal with I forgot which company it was, but they hit a new all-time high. Let's see. So Blaze Fire Games and Saitama LLC announced a 50 million multi-year partnership in gaming, education, esports, and more. So that's really big. People bringing education into investing in crypto is going to be, it's an undervalued market with that, because a lot of people are on the sidelines that still are unbanked and haven't began investing into these markets just because they don't understand it. So it's going to take, people that's breaking down that barrier, making some of this stuff easier to understand, before people can just take that leap of faith and get in, because everybody don't have that extra money just to be losing money. Us that aped in already, we were more riskier. We are some of the just early pioneers to it, not super early, like the beginning 2017, but we're still a lot earlier than the mass adoption that is to come. So if you in right now, just hold tight. So here's a press release from Max Hernandez, just basically saying the same thing, that they partnered with Blaze Fire Games. So also, Saitama now listed on ePro's DeFi app. So track your holdings, rewards, view your portfolio, use charting tools, see accurate token info, find up-to-date Saitama news, follow whale wallets. So this is very important. I like the use case and the acceptance, and also them being adopted on other platforms as well. It just shows that other people are taking them serious. So that means if you want to connect the dots, that you can as well. And we already know that this project is booming. It's something I covered lightly in one of my other videos. Y'all can just scroll back through the channel or just type it in and you'll see that. But I didn't get into this project, because I'm, covering so many different projects, and just at the time I'm focusing on the projects that I'm, kind of in right now. But right now we're looking for some new projects to basically ape into. So, hey fam, and remember, this is not financial advice. Do your own research, So, hey fam, we are heading to break our all-time high. This time we have even more catalysts coming and healthier upward chart. So, and one thing I don't do, I'm not buying at the top of the chart. So if you come over here to coin market cap, you can see we're at an all-time high. I'm not buying this. This is not smart to buy. I mean, you can if it continues to just take off, but there has to be some correction. Like, look what happened last time this happened. There was a major healthy pullback, all the way back, to these levels. So if I do, buy in, I'd be targeting these levels somewhere around here, for entry. So that's just, something you want to pay attention to. Just because you hear a coin, is booming right now, it's up 64% for the day, it's something that you might want to have on your watch list. It does not mean you have to invest in it at this moment. Wait till the chart gives you something to enter on. So let's take a look at the website real quick for those. So I also seen this. I like that they were doing the giveaways and or donations to different countries, emerging areas, like in Nigeria. They're giving backpacks away, also books as well. Y'all know I'm connected with the books, and speaking with books, we got to do our book of the day. We got The Science of Success, How to Attract Prosperity and Create Harmonic Wealth Through Proven Principles by James Arthur Ray. Y'all can get this book on Amazon right now. Also, my book is available for you on Amazon right now. The link to that is in the description. All you got to do is go check it out. Also, my crypto course is available, and my stock options trading course. So just check that out. A lot of new things that we working on right now in the description section. So just go down there and check it out. But let's see. So yeah, I mean, I'm loving the community, around Saitama right now. That's one of the most important things to me, because if y'all know, then the communities have to carry these projects. So if the community isn't there, then a lot of these projects don't stand a chance. So the fact that the community is so strong around this one, I believe that it can be here for the next couple years. So because of that, it will be something that I have on my watch list, and interested in getting a position on. But not at these prices, though. That would be crazy. And maybe, later on, this price may, be super, cheap, where we're at right now at, 5,829. That might be super cheap, in the next week or so. But just me being a smart investor, and trading stocks as well as crypto, I know that it's not, wise to buy at the top like this. So I do not recommend y'all to buy at the top. So let's take a look at the website. Just for y'all that are new to it, I'm gonna give y'all a quick brief rundown on what it is, on what's the purpose of it. So SaitamaToken.com, fostering the future of finance. Welcome to Saitama, a community-driven platform promoting financial well-being by empowering people of all ages and cultures to be in control of their money and create their own wealth opportunities. The Saitama token is our medium. It was built on the Ethereum blockchain ERC20 with a smart code that makes it safe to invest and beneficial to hold. So our mission, to educate the next generation of investors in financial well-being, and to make financial well-being accessible to all. Although digital currencies have been around for over a decade, we are still at an early stage of a monetary revolution that will reorganize our society, redistributing wealth and giving anyone a chance to attain financial freedom. The bulk of the next generation of investors is yet to join, but for global decentralization finance to become a reality, they will need not only to overcome technological hurdles, but to simply understand how money works. This is where Saitama comes in, providing tools and content that make people comfortable with money while they invest, opening unprecedented opportunities for wealth creation. So, I like that it's youth focused, because it's trying to, wake people up about the money and also, move some of this money around. It talks about, the redistribution of wealth, which is, we're in the biggest phase of that happening right now. So it's right now it's very important to start learning about, investing in, these different markets and different assets. So our ecosystem, the Saitama token, our token had a fair launch on the Ethereum ERC20 network on the 31st of May on 2021. It is a medium for transactions and a monetary system on its own, with a smart coding that benefits loyal holders with rewards and protection from whales, big wallet holders, toxic actions. So a passive income system. 2% of every transaction with Saitama is deducted and redistributed to our pool of holders. It means that just by holding it, you will see the number of tokens increasing automatically every day as the community transacts. Deflationary currency. An additional 2% of the amount of all transactions is taken out of circulation, meaning that our token supply is constantly shrinking and making your Saitama increase in value with time. We have already started with 49% of the supply burned. So anti-whale trap. Everyone is expected to make profit, but we want profit to be fair. Everyone is expected to make profit, but we want profit to be for everyone. Saitama is coded in a way that prevents big wallet holders, whales, from trying to manipulate the price in their favor or from dumping the token by selling out. So here's some more information on the token. Let's take a look at the roadmap. So something that's coming to the Safemars. One-stop shop for DeFi. Use bank cards to purchase tokens. That's going to be major. Buy and sell goods and services using crypto. That's going to be even bigger probably than purchasing tokens with cards. Learn and improve financial skills. That's going to be major. And then create and trade NFTs. So that would be dope. I'm interested in hearing more about it. If somebody from the team can reach out and let me know. I'm also interested in, helping out with some of this financial education part. So let's take a look at the roadmap. So let's see where we are now. So one thing, y'all know I always mention in this section of the video, I like the roadmaps to be three things: specific, measurable, and realistic. Right here, so far, it doesn't appear that we can measure this because it just has things in stages, which is, we can see which stage it plans to be taken care in, but we don't know which, when do these stages, move on to the next stage, or is it just based all on once each goal is complete? I like to see some type of time frame attached to it. But stage 1, token fair launch, 1,000 holders, white paper release, 2,000 Telegram members, CoinGecko listing, CoinMarketCap listing, contract audit. So I like that it's audited already. Stage 2, 6,000 holders, marketing campaign, TikTok, Twitter awareness, 10,000 Telegram members, merchant website integrations, live now. Stage 3, 40,000 holders, listing on small exchanges, new partnership, gear up for major exchanges. So we're somewhere right in between this range, because I seen there were 35,000 holders. So you can look at this as basically potential catalyst to come. So, I will wait, let the all-time high kind of, fizzle down, catch that dip, maybe start to DCA into a position. That's dollar cost average. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. I see y'all messages. I will be getting to you right after this video. But start to build a position on the dip. And then stage 4, TV and radio interviews, Saitamaker, NFT platform, Saitamass, DeFi wallet, Saitamarket. So I honestly, I believe they will, complete all this. So getting in here, is not bad as long as you're not buying at the tops. You can buy at the top if you want to, just to secure a position. If you plan on holding, long term without checking your portfolio every day, worrying about it being down, then that's fine. But if you want the, just a better buying opportunity, then I will wait for the dip. So stage 5, donations to charities, donations to student bodies, and listings on more exchanges. So I would like to see this roadmap updated a little more further down the line. I know we got some big things on here, but I would like to see some time frames as well. But pretty specific and realistic so far. So I'll give it, you know, 2 pluses in that, in those 2 categories. So we got the team here as well. Shout out to Steve, Manpreet, Max, Russell, Nob, Gabriel, and Aaron. So if y'all want to check them out, again, the website is saitamatoken.com. So yeah, this is one I'm definitely interested in. So let's see. Let's see what other ones we got. Shout out to Don. He says Solana's #1 meme token. Okay, yeah, so make sure y'all come join this group if you haven't. You see, we got a thriving community over here of people that are engaged, you know, all within the last hour, people, you know, sharing which tokens they want us to check out. So let's see if we got any other one that is recommended more than once. So we got vechain. I think vechain deserves its own separate video though. So that's what we'll say vechain for that. Matter of fact, we'll leave this one its own separate video as well. So make sure y'all follow me if you already haven't on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Also, you know, if you're interested in helping out with our own project, email me. Let me know if you got some serious skills, you know, and I'm, you know, serious about this. So make sure you're serious. I'll be, you know, not even entertaining, you know, certain people, but, you know, come join the family, man. We turning up over here. We're almost at 11,000 subscribers. Then we'll be hitting 15K. Then we're on our road to 20K, man. A lot of big things coming. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and we out.